Alright friends, here's what I've been doing with the microgreens and the clay pebbles growing in a glass jar. I keep a lid on until the seeds germinate, so they don't dry out. And after that, I use a turkey baster, and I just add a little bit of nutrients down in the bottom. I don't fill it all the way up, just about like that. And that's about all I do. This is just another experiment. I got a full tutorial coming out. We grew hydroponic collards in the cracky containers. Pay no attention to the lettuce on top. Now this was set it and forget it. Haven't done anything to this. We just put them in these containers that we found at Target. We only planted the side that gets the light. Now we're not going to get enough for a whole pot of collards, but these do make great gluten-free wraps. So if you're trying to cut down on your carbs, you can roll your tacos and burritos in this. And we don't harvest the whole plant, we just come out here and cut one when we need it. To everyone who saw the milk jug tower garden and said, "Whoa, where'd you get all those milk jugs?" I could never do that. I just want to put it into perspective. I used about 24 jugs to make this. And I started sharing about it the beginning of November. Now that's a little over 2 months. And if you only go through 1 jug a week, which is not unheard of, you would already have enough jugs to build one half this size. Or be halfway to building one this big. So when you look at things, don't get overwhelmed. Just start. I like to keep things simple. I mean, I want to grow some of my own food, but I don't want to spend all my time in the garden. That's why I like hydroponics. But then when I got started, everyone kept telling me there was all kinds of things you had to do. You have to get meters. You have to check the pH levels. You have to monitor your EC. You gotta change out your water. You can't use those milk jugs, you're gonna get algae. A bunch of other stuff. And if I would have listened to what everyone was saying I had to do, instead of just trying, I would never have experienced all the wonderful stuff that I have in the last few years. Row your own boat and keep on growing.